Hi friends, today we are going to see the live update of Medavakkam Flyover approach ramp. The flyover 1 is already opened, which I have mentioned. The flyover 2 is also constructed, but the construction is still going on for the approach ramp of flyover 2, which is towards Velachery. So the approach ramp of flyover 2, which is towards Tambram, is already constructed. Come, let's see the construction process of approach ramp. So if you see here, the approach ramp is only pending. They have laid the stones for approach ramp. The construction company took about 6 months but not yet finished the construction of this approach ramp. It is clearly visible that flyover 2 is already opened. They have bought up many concrete and cement to construct this approach ramp. Okay friends, I hope everyone clearly saw the construction progress of approach ramp. If you like this video, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.